or the company that had a
Morning,
shipment
guys.
and in the
So,
shipment was cocaine on the next end.
Exactly,
on our way to work,
in the container chicken.
usual
What came out?
vlog.
The real big, the real
Here with puppy. Yes. Just a quick video on my look this morning. I'm not gonna do any long videos today. I'll do an in-depth video tomorrow on a palette that Juvia's Place palettes that I wanted to review. So this look this morning, I used the Jaclyn Hill, her first palette, along with Violet Voss. I think that's the name of the palette. Their shimmers are very creamy. No, it's okay, it's bright. The shimmers are very creamy and it looks so pretty. It looks like I'm going to somebody's wedding, but I'm going to work. I like it. And
doing the most.
and sinuses acting up the Sahara dust too. And lips, Sacha Cosmetics matte. I think it's Rough It Up and the BH Cosmetics that's on the inner part of the lip to really give it some depth and dimension and make it look hot. And the Revlon Color Stay. What did I use again? The Elegant Pro Concealer. Yes, honey, I'm feeling it. I'm happy.
Yes.
So, yes, this looks really good. I like it. So, on my way to work, as usual, I'm gonna start the cafe to get rolling. Yeah, so the Revlon Color Stay Elegant Pro Concealer, Sacha, matte, Buttercup, and the matte translucent. Oh my goodness, just grunted. My sinus. I don't know who else the Sahara dust is bothering, but wow, it's bad. Oh, my nose feeling it. It's burning. So guys, have a blessed day. Remember to subscribe to my channel. Like, just click the little bell thing for notifications. Click the thumbs up to like and just subscribe. So yeah, let me get the YouTube look what I'm doing. So hot, and then they look up and they look down and yes. Have a blessed day, guys.
I can never understand you.
So we over and out. Just sign us. Over and out, ladies and gentlemen. Bye.